Before I get started, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go do so right now. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if you love it, like, comment, and let me know how you feel about this new hairstyle that I have in. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. I really appreciate you guys, and I thank you guys for your subscription and your great support to my channel. Love you. So today's video is going to be about this gorgeous crochet hair I have in my head. This is week 3 with this hair, so that's why it's looking a little frizzy. I actually have a video attached to this video where I actually did a tutorial of how I installed this hair. I wanted to do a proper introduction for you guys. So this is me. I know, week 3, finally recording this video. And I feel like, you know, it's still great because you guys get to see what it looks like when it gets older. So this is the Expression Cuevana Bounce hair. And for this hairstyle, I used 4 packs. I split the hair into 2. And I also did the invisible part method for my part. I'm able to part my hair in multiple ways, but I actually like the side part better, you know. I just like the look. So this hair is also in color 1. I actually wanted to get 1B, which is what I normally get for my crochet hairstyles. But the beauty supply store ran out of 1B, so I got the color 1. And I actually like it better because I like the dark color. Like, it kind of brings out my complexion better, in my opinion. And yeah, so far so good. I'm loving it. I don't want to make this video really long, but I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like week 3. This is the hair week 3. Like, you guys, I do not take care of this hair. This hair, it looks so frizzy, but I love the frizzy look. And I literally go to sleep like this sometimes. I don't even do anything to my hair. I wake up, sometimes when I remember, I probably like pull it back and go to sleep. Or sometimes when I remember, I put my bonnet on. But for the most part, you guys, this hair is like the perfect hair for the school semester. Like, the school starts for me next week, and I'm actually thinking of reinstalling this hair, like buying some more packs and reinstalling this hair because it's so easy to maintain. Like, I don't even do anything. I don't touch it. I don't do anything, and it just gets really nice and really cool. And sometimes when I go to the gym, I pull it up in like a pineapple, put a headband, and it's like all the way up like this, and you know, maybe put a scarf around my edges. It's just perfect. Like, I love the fro. I love big hair, guys. I just miss my big crochet hairstyles that I always do, so that's why I had to bring it back. Yes, guys. So let me know how you like this. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the video where I installed the hair and show you guys how I did my invisible part method. So guys, I didn't want to make this video really long, so right here I have the same braid pattern I have in almost all my crochet hair reviews. I have 12 braids going back. I like to connect the parts in the middle and the parts on the side where I'm gonna have my part in at. And all I really did so far was just crochet the hair the normal way that I normally do. Nothing big, just loop it over and pull it out. So this is 3 packs of the hair so far, and I decided to show you guys how I finish up the last pack of the hair. As you guys can see, I'm splitting my hair because I wanted a more natural look, and all I'm doing is using my needle, pulling under my braid and pulling the hair out. Then I'm passing the hair through my loop, and you're gonna see me do it right here again. Split your hair, take your needle, pull it under your braid, pull your hair through your braid, and pass it through the loop. So I'm gonna be doing the invisible part method for my side part. Right here, I'm just doing my regular crochet method. This is how I did my crochet throughout my whole braids. I'm just doing this till I'm done and get to the invisible part method. And right here, you see me, I'm just using my fingers to like twirl the curls, because sometimes when you split them and they get so frizzy, I like to bring back the curls by doing that. So you guys, I cannot believe my camera stopped recording during the most important part of this video while I was doing the invisible part method. But don't worry guys, I took it all out just so I could show you guys how I do it on camera. So right here you just see me taking out the crochet hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my invisible part method for my crochet hairstyles. It's very easy. I think it's even easier than doing it the regular way. And yeah, just stay tuned. So here I'm ready to show you guys how I do my invisible part method. And I'm just going to be taking the hair and pulling the needle under my braid, pulling my hair out. The only difference is I'm going to be pulling one strand of the hair. So as you can see, just like so. So the invisible part method is done by just pulling out one of the hair instead of two of it. So this creates like a good covering to hide the braids. And I'm gonna do it here and show you guys how I finish up the rest of the braid. Just a FYI, because this hair is very thick and kinky, it's easy for me to just do it this way. If I was using like a silky hair, like the really silky free tress bohemian or water wave, I would have to like create a knot on the other side. But we'll save that video for another day. But so far, if you're using a hair like this, a Marley hair, you really don't need to tie or make a knot or anything like that. But this is so easy to do with this kind of hair, and all you do is pull the hair under the braid and pull one strand through the loop, and you're done. You do it on both sides, and it gives you this invisible part look. It makes your part look so natural. So I'm all done. Right here, I'm just trying to cut the straight hairs and shape the hair a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you guys tuning in to my channel. Please don't forget to thumbs up if you love it. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts if you tried the hair and any questions you have. Guys, please let me know any questions, any comments you have down below. And also, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Hey! Like, comment, subscribe. Hey!